If you're thinking about using Just Reach Out, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. Let's dive in and talk about the key factors that could make or break your experience. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll have a solid understanding of whether Just Reach Out is the right choice for you and how it stacks up against other outreach tools. First things first, Just Reach Out is designed to make your outreach process smooth and efficient. It's an intuitive tool that helps you connect with bloggers, journalists, and influencers in your niche. Unlike its competitors, Just Reach Out lets you focus on building quality relationships rather than spending hours hunting for contacts or worrying about manual tasks. The second thing to consider is its focus on personalization. With Just Reach Out, you get features that let you craft highly personalized outreach emails. Now, this is key because personalized outreach has a much higher response rate than generic templates. Unlike some of its competitors, where you often feel like you're just sending out mass emails, Just Reach Out makes it easy to craft and track customized emails, improving your chances of securing those important collaborations. Next thing, if you're looking for detailed reports and metrics, you'll find them here. One thing that sets Just Reach Out apart from other outreach platforms is its ability to show you not just whether your emails are being opened, but also if they're being clicked on. Knowing these details can help you refine your strategy and improve your results. It's not just about sending emails, it's about tracking effectiveness and optimizing over time. The fourth thing to know is how easy it is to integrate Just Reach Out with your existing tools. Whether you're using CRM systems, email platforms, or productivity tools, it works well with what you already have in place. It's not as clunky or disconnected as some of the alternatives out there. You won't have to worry about a steep learning curve, which can be a huge time saver for busy professionals. Next, the platform's outreach database is something that really sets it apart. Just Reach Out gives you access to an extensive list of contacts, but the real magic happens when you start using its filters. You can find exactly who you want to reach out to based on relevance and their level of engagement. It's much more targeted than relying on lists that may be outdated or irrelevant, like what you might find with other software options. The sixth thing you'll want to know is that Just Reach Out is incredibly affordable for the value it provides. Many of the competitors out there come with a hefty price tag or require you to pay for features you won't use. With Just Reach Out, you get a straightforward pricing structure with no hidden fees, making it one of the best value options for someone who needs efficient outreach without breaking the bank. Finally, the support from the Just Reach Out team is top-notch. Unlike other outreach platforms where you're stuck in an endless loop of FAQs or chatbots, Just Reach Out offers responsive customer service. This can make all the difference when you're learning how to use a new tool or need help troubleshooting issues. You won't be left in the dark. So, now that you know the key things to keep in mind, here's the deal. If you're looking to elevate your outreach efforts and make sure your emails actually get noticed, Just Reach Out is a powerful solution. And the best part? You can try it out for free by clicking the first link in the description below. If you're ready to step up your outreach game and want to experience Just Reach Out firsthand, make sure to click that link and get started with the best free trial available. Don't miss out on exclusive benefits that can help you get the most from your outreach campaigns.